Hi guys, welcome to the video. I'm going to continue the build here. I cleaned the engine bay as good as I could with the power washer. Now I'm going to prep it for paint, but first I need to address some rust spots and do some mods to accept the new engine. So follow along. Okay guys, that was a rust I needed to cut out. Not that bad. The strut tower itself has a little bit, but I'm leaving that. I'm just gonna treat it for rust and 2 patches, so it's not that bad. And the gaps you see it's on the inside too. You see, and over here, I'm not sure you can see it, but the strut tower itself is good, so I'm happy. So as you can see, I had to cut out a pretty substantial part. There was a lot of rust damage. I was lucky to save the strut tower, other than this small hole. So I'm just gonna weld in a mini patch here and recreate the tub. I use some copper weld through primer to prep it for when I put in the new patches. I'm gonna do all the welding at once, so I'm gonna make all the patches. Going to remove the support bracket for the coolant expansion tank. I'm going to remove this one because I don't need this one, and here I need a support for the evap. That's this guy. And so this support bracket for the coolant expansion tank is different, so I'm going to remove this one and weld it onto the caddy. brackets are gone. That was my first time ever drilling out spot welds. I ain't scared. The first one was a little bit, how you say, noobish, but I got the hang of it at the end, so. And I just gave the Jessie leg a quick ride on the wire wheel. It's in good condition other than some surface rust, so I'm happy. So that was a lot of work, more work than expected, and the rust was pretty significant here. As you can see, it's very nice. I treated it all, painted it, used some seam sealer, so it's good for years to come. This side too looks good. So I'm not a sheet metal guy. I think some of you could tell. It welded poorly, but in the end it's solid now, so I'm happy. I was hoping this video would be painting the engine bay, but it was so much work, so painting will be the next video. I hope you guys liked it. Next time will be a color reveal, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Bulldoze.